Hi everybody, welcome to the OAG RC. Oh, who was that? Who was that? Was that the mini OAG?
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh, she's back. She's back and we're building her bright pink metallic Neo Scorcher. This was donated to us by Gary and Joy. So Gary and Joy, hi, thank you very much for this. We're super excited, aren't we?
Yes, let's just open it up and see what's
Well,
inside.
hang on a minute. Whoa, if we open it up like this, all the bits are going to fall out all over the table and that's going to create a mess. So we've already done an unboxing. So what we're going to do is just going to get straight into our build, aren't we? We're just going to get stuck into it. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. What's going to be the most bit you're looking forward to the most? Big question.
Everything.
I think maybe it might be the big pink body.
And maybe the stickers.
Maybe the stickers. We love stickers, don't we? Mm-hmm. Yes, right. Let's get this box open and let's...
We'll do double videos for stickers, won't we?
Double video for stickers. I'm excited. I don't even know what that means.
So first, we're gonna put the stickers on, and we'll video that, and then we'll make another video of them showing them where the stickers are put.
Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. Oh, I love it. I love your creativity. Right, let's do this.
We started off with a big bag of nuts. Then we made a spur gear. Then we attached it to the drive shaft. I enjoyed spinning it. Oh no, messy differentials. Dad did these. Torque tune power! Rear arms and the front ones. Don't lose your bearings. Awesome oil-filled shocks are awesomely smooth. I swapped these for orange ones off Daddy's Top Force.
And there it is, the finished buggy in all of its shiny pink glory.
And the red wheels.
They're orange.
Maybe I'm a bit colourblind.
Maybe you are. What colour is it though?
That's pink.
Yes.
That's
What do you say to Gary and Joy?
Thanks for the metallic pink car.
It's awesome, isn't it? Dad's a bit jealous. I quite like it.
It's mine.
Can I run it on the Orchard Raceway just once?
Sometimes.
Do you want to drive it on the Orchard Raceway?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what's going to happen to it?
And I especially like the wings over here.
Oh, do you know what happened? I forgot to tell you. When we finished building it, I left it out on the side and look at all the cat fur on the wheel. Joey the cat thought it was a really good rubbing post, and he's been rubbing his face against the spiky wheels for literally a day. What's he like? Crazy Joey. We are so pleased with how this has turned out. Thank you so much, Gary and Joy.
Yes.
And I can't wait to see you driving this over the summer, Minnie.
And we also love the stickers.
Stickers! Awesome.
I helped put the stickers on, didn't
You
I?
always help put the stickers on. And actually, to be fair, you didn't do a bad job on these stickers. Daddy had to straighten a couple out, but you didn't do a bad job, mate. Well done, dude. Thank you, Gary. Enjoy. See you all soon on the mini OAG RC.
Hopefully next time driving this metallic pink car.
Oh, there's something to look forward to. Bye.